D3 is selected. We've got a good tone. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's still burning.
You're not getting that back. No, it looks like it.
It's coming in ballistic.
Heads up! Heads up! We've got Pat Bun's homemade red on an F35 Start.
Pat Bun rocket. F35.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's weird.
Hey, heads up! Got an easy mini on board. It's an I-500. Speed time, got a good tone. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Further back than we were before. There's the porta potty way down there.
Okay, child walking down the road.
And we've got a bunch of people here.
Please
A
come
couple
back.
colleges, a bunch of scouts.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and fly Dr. C's rocket. And this is a Astro cam on D64. This is on A2. We got good times going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
D10, D12.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D1 selected, going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we know the bank works now. Okay, you've got pads are safe, just keep an eye on that rocket.
Bunch of Cub Scouts here. Looks like they've all got birdies to fly.
Let's go with some excitement here, Bunny. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 8. All selected north. Range and skies are clear, and we've got a bunch of birds going bye-bye in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, gang. All right, so you can't see where we went. I saw Chuck's license down here. This is Wes Bunn. He is flying his Maverick. He's got a camera and a Jolly Logic. and it's flying on a G53, 7-second delay. Got something funky that's going on with the tone. So we'll try it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right grass. All right, Les is coming over. Well, they're flying Gigatron on an I600. This should be a pretty fast and good flight. We got C3 is selected and on. Good tone, range and skies are clear. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got a good straight boost. Alright, we've got an event and it's out on the drove. It's drifting away from the cloud, which is a good thing. We're going to try this. Got a little bit of a different tone, so we may have some oddities here. So we're loaded, and range and skies are clear, and bye-bye birdies in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
But one went on 2.
We limit the Scouts after this flight to the 4 below. Okay,
Got some more birdies here.
Okay?
1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, we are selected. I got some really funny noises going on. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oops.
Whoa, there we go. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, Scouts, Aggie Rocketry. Aggie Rocketry, listen for you. I know you're here. Up there we go, Aggie Rocketry. They're flying their rocket. Airtech I200 14. The white lightning propeller. They got an Easy Mini at 5 and an Easy Mini 20 2.0 at 450. And they're flying pretty shoots. I like those. Alright. Pad C3 is selected and on. Range and skies are clear. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got a nice bird. Nice low, slow flight. You can see the whole thing coming over. Alright, we got a nice set. We got some piece floating away from it. Not sure what that is, but we got a piece of spot. Okay, yeah, chute protector floating away, so you lost your chute protector. And looks like your 3 chute is going to bring the rest of it down. Alright, going out on C4, we got Pat Bun. Pat is flying his 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Alright, we got all the Boy Scouts ready to go. We're going to do a drag race. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Scouts. Alright, all the Scouts are at the pad this time.
Going with that now. 6 more birdies.
It would be welcome at this point. Alright, because it is long and it is windy and it is slapping. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, heads up. It's a motor away. That's the end. Yeah, oh, selected mom. He's got his home brand flying a T78 Smoky Sam in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's Smoky Sam's. Coming over. All right, we got a streamer. Well, we got something out. Actually, I think we got the main out. I saw something fluttering away from the silver sort of light. And I'm looking for that silver thing again. Whatever it was. My guess is if we put it in the back of the hood, do me service. All right. That is it. Oh, thank you. All right, pads are safe. Remember, Scouts, we got the first four. Once the first four is filled up, that's it. Leave the other four going. All right, wait and safe. Go get your birds.